Hello, and welcome back to English 109. It's Professor Parish. I hope you all are having a great week so far and that you had a great spring break and that your week last week was a good one. So just real quick, I want to talk about a couple of housekeeping things in this video, talk about what assignments are due this week for English 109, and kind of where we're going to from here now that we are post midterm. So now that we're past midterm, things do kind of speed up in this class a little bit because it will be only a matter of weeks until we're nearing the end of the semester. So I have pulled up week 11 just to show you all what all is due for this week. We have the discussion forum this week, so you will need to do your initial post by Friday, March 22nd. You need to, by Sunday, respond to at least 2 peers and then complete the other 2 assignments. So the discussion forum is listed here. We've done these discussion forums before. Nothing is different there. I may have misspoke in previous weeks in saying that we only had 5 grammar reviews. I don't know why I said that. We have 10 altogether. We have 10 grammar reviews, but only 5 textbook assignments. So the textbook activities in this class are done. Those are finished. We do have some grammar reviews left over though. So one of those grammar reviews is listed here, and you can start working on it this week. It is due by Sunday. If I pull up my grammar review here to show you all, you'll notice it starts on page 480 to 481. You're going to write down the correct verb for each sentence and write down beside it whether it is singular or plural. Singular meaning it is one object, plural meaning it is 2 or more. In part 2, there are 2 mistakes in each sentence with verbs. Write those mistakes down and then write the correct answer next to them. Okay? And that's pretty much it. It's a very short grammar assignment. Shouldn't be too hard. We're still on verbs because I want to focus on that section just a little bit longer. So we have our discussion forum, our grammar review, and we are starting our new writing assignment, which is the narration writing prep. I really like this one. I think this is probably the easiest writing prep we will do because narration's all about you. It's all about your own experience and writing about what's familiar to you. So, as you can see in the writing prep here, we talk about narration. So narration is telling your own story or about a story that's happened to a friend or family or community member. Your writing prep does need to have an introduction paragraph, needs to have multiple body paragraphs where you discuss the points of your paper and a conclusion, and must be 3 pages long. And then the breakdown of that assignment is listed here. So for the writing prep, I do want to see your introduction paragraph about your narration. Your outline, the more detailed your outline is, the more extra credit you might get, and then a little short work in progress conclusion. So remember, none of these outlines are set in stone. You can always go back and change things with them, but I just want to see that you have an idea of what you're going to write about and that you can articulate that in this outline, okay? But yeah, narration's pretty easy, so that writing prep should not be hard. But yeah, those are the 3 main assignments this week, just doing your grammar review, the writing prep, and the discussion forum. At this point in the semester, you should be able to look at your grade, see where you're at. It is not too late to increase your grade, obviously, but midterm at this point needs to be the point where you really look at how you're doing in the class and say, okay, what do I need to do to get my grade better? Because with this being English 109, you do have to have a C or higher in order to get into English 121. If you don't get that, you will have to redo this class. And I don't want that to happen to anybody. So please make sure you check your grades. Let me know if you have questions. And just be sure that you do all of the assignments each week. If you do every assignment listed here and you do that from this week on in, you'll be good. As always, you can ask me questions. You should be able to look ahead and see what different assignments are listed now that are available. The only thing that isn't listed are the assignments for week 17 and 18. And I won't list anything for finals week until it is finals week. I cannot legally do that by college rules. But you can work ahead if you want to. All right? So as far as resources for this week goes, just to wrap up, we are in week 11. There shouldn't be any handouts, and your link to the video will be listed here in your resources. Alright, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm excited to talk to you all again in the discussion forum and to get back into that. That's probably my favorite place to chat with you all. But just let me know if you have questions, and I hope you had a great spring break. And here is to an awesome part 2 of spring semester. Bye.